Aetos is one of the most exciting companies. They take a myriad technologies that are available in the marketplace today, weave them together, and solve one of the biggest problems that most of the large enterprises are struggling with, which is how do I map out massively complex spaces?
We first heard about Aetos technology from our Southern Company New Ventures partners, and I was able to meet with the Aetos team and see a demonstration of their technology, and I realized that it could be very applicable to help us in our generating and power delivery parts of our business.
At PlantBerry, we have continued to look for ways to move the needle with technology. So the digital transformation is just another step for us.
They actually go into a space like a power plant or a distribution center, and they map it out visually with cameras. And like Google Maps, they create this entire landscape, and you can then navigate a multi-acre building without sort of maps or anything. You just take your phone, and then the magic happens when they combine that capability with work tickets and manuals and diagnostics. So you're sitting there with your phone in front of a hydrogen compression valve. You don't know what it is. It's your second day on the job, and you're trying to figure out what to do. And the manual pops up, and then it tells you what this device is. You make the changes, and the system closes the loop, and then you can say, I'm done with the work order. This all happens in a single platform that Aetos is woven together. It's really magic.
What we do is we go in and take high-resolution scan images of the facility and create a digital twin in the computer. And then our employees use that technology to access information that they need about equipment for operations and maintenance. In the past, our employees would have to use printed drawings, 3-ring binders, and other methods to find information about equipment. Now we're using these computer systems to find information much more efficiently through the Aetos models.
With Aetos, you'll actually be able to click on that asset in the field and pull all that information at one time, instead of having to go look in cabinets or racks or go through drawings or even some of our existing Documentum tools that sometimes can be cumbersome to find.
Aetos is here today to create a 3D digital twin of this substation using a Matterport scanner that can help us do design without trips to the field. It can help us reduce truck rolls to verify measurements before we ever have to set foot into a facility. It can also help us with having a single pane view to access all of the documents, videos, and drawings that we would need for a particular location.
I'm so excited about this product. I think it's going to be great. I think it's going to help us as a fleet more than you'd ever imagine.